Hey everyone, I'm outside the H10 Big Sur Hotel in Los Cristianos, and I'm just going to show you how to get to the market. Now, getting to the market is very easy. I'm going to show you. So, I'm just going to show you, right. See from here, you come out and you turn right, and it's straight down here towards the Arona Gran Hotel. This is going to be one short video. There's a taxi rank. If you're staying at H10, this for Big Sur, this is quite handy. And I'm doing a lot of videos in this holiday, and I have to say, this is probably going to be the shortest. See, it's a lovely day. It's going to be really hot later, you can tell. There it is, there's the market. That didn't I tell you it was going to be short? If you're interested in markets, there's the Pink Market at the Gala Shopping Centre every Tuesday. So there you go. Anyway, less than 3 minutes and you're at the market, so hope you've enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments. Are you staying at the H10 Big Sur? Will you go to the market? Have you been to the market? What do you think of it? Anyway, thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.